known President Clinton. He could work a room of 1,000 people, spend about 15 seconds with you, and during that 15-second interval, you will have left that 15 seconds feeling that you were the only person in the room. He was amazing at making personal connection and relationships. President Trump. You knew that before he even became president. The apprentice, you're fired. I did. No patience. Mr. Rogers. I grew up watching Mr. Rogers. You guys beyond that generation. Who's Mr. Rogers? Oh man! Don't be hating on Mr. Rogers.
S?
He is the quintessential S. Always displayed empathy. Always talking about people. Talking about their feelings. So when we talk about ways of communicating, and these are ways where you begin to listen to the pattern of the communication. I want to let you know what I've done. I've assessed the situation, and I've decided that the best course of action is X. Who am I communicating with here? Who am I communicating with here? Close. It's going to be your high D. It's short, it's quick, it's to the point. No details, no nothing. This is what I've seen, this is what I'm doing. Let's move on. Who am I communicating with here?
I?
Yeah, I've noticed you've been a little bit, quiet the last couple of days. What's going on? So your high S. They'll be focused in, they'll be dialing into people's feelings. And the key there, the key giveaway there is, how are you feeling? It's going to be your high S. Who's this going to be? How's your weekend? An amazing time. We should get together. Let's go out and have a cup of coffee. What do you think we should do? Yeah, you're high I. All over the place. No focus. But that's how they roll. Last, we're reviewing our options. I've conducted a detailed analysis. We have 3 options. The pros and cons for each option are outlined in the paper. Yeah, data, details. So, key takeaways. 1, communications